Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Polish lesson with ItsEwelina. My name is Ewelina, mam na imię Ewelina, and we're going to learn some cool Polish words and phrases together. So I have prepared some random phrases that I think would help you to communicate on a daily basis, especially if you are living in Poland. But before I teach you these phrases, I have a request. You guys are the ones that are learning Polish. Please, and I know a lot of you actually are living in Poland or you are going to Poland this summer or you're going to be working in Poland or whatnot. Please let me know in the comment section what words and phrases you are using on a daily basis and what you are struggling with. I also have an Instagram, it's Ewelina_, where I do a Polish word of the day or Polish phrase of the day. So if you have a word that you're really struggling to pronounce, please let me know in the comment section or you go follow me on my Instagram and I will be able to help you guys better with making these videos. Okay? All right, so first word of today's lesson is, I'm looking down here because I have my notes here, every day. Every day or daily, every day or daily. In Polish, you say codziennie. 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 Every day. Codziennie. Codziennie uczę się języka polskiego. Oh, and the next one is going to be almost. Almost. And almost in Polish you say prawie. Almost. Prawie. 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 So almost every day. How would you say almost every day? Prawie, almost. Prawie codziennie. In Polish, you'll say, I just told you. almost every day. In Polish, you say prawie codziennie. Prawie codziennie. Prawie codziennie. All right, another random phrase is going to be, I'm going to brush my teeth. Because, you know, sometimes, not saying all of you, but sometimes you're staying in someone else's house and then you have to go and brush your teeth. So, I'm going to brush my teeth. Idę umyć zęby. Idę umyć zęby. Like right now, I'm going to brush my teeth. Right now. Idę umyć zęby. Idę umyć zęby. Idę umyć zęby. Idę umyć zęby. Right now, teraz idę umyć zęby. If you would like to say, I have to brush my teeth. I have to brush my teeth, you know. Breath is no good. I have to brush my teeth, you will say, muszę umyć zęby. 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 Like right now. Teraz. Next one is where is. Where is. So in Polish you say gdzie jest. Gdzie jest. Gdzie jest. You might have problems with gdzie. So it's like gdzie. Gdzie jest. Gdzie jest. Gdzie jest. And I'm just going to teach you, because this is common, toilet. Where is toilet? So in Polish, you say, gdzie jest toaleta? Gdzie jest toaleta? toaleta, 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 toilet, toaleta, toilet. There are many ways to say toilet. You can also say ubikacja, 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 which means toilet pretty much. So you can see toaleta, or someone can say ubikacja. You just never know. But you know Polish, we have a lot of words for a lot of different things. That means the same thing. So gdzie jest toaleta? Gdzie jest ubikacja? Or bathroom, you can say bathroom as well. Łazienka, 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 łazienka. So like when you are in someone's house, you can say, gdzie jest twoja łazienka? Or gdzie jest łazienka? Gdzie jest łazienka? But you can also say, gdzie jest toaleta? You can also say, gdzie jest ubikacja? Anything goes. Anything goes. Polish person will understand you need to go siku. Do you know what siku means? Let me know in the comment down section. I want to check how much Polish you know, okay? Or, I've said this in my past videos, which I didn't know what that means. Shame on me. WC, which everyone told me it's water closet. I had no clue. You know, I don't know everything in life, and I just specifically, I did not know what WC means. And it just means water closet. You will see WC in Polish, if you know Polish alphabet. W, we pronounce W, just like Ewelina, E-W-E, Ewe. So W is W, C is C, W-C. All right, next one is important. Important in Polish, you say ważne. 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 Important. Ważne. It is important. To jest ważne. To jest ważne. Or you can always skip to and you can say jest ważne. No, maybe you can't. To jest ważne. To jest ważne. You can hear some people saying ważny. It just depends on the context. So what would be ważny? Ważny list. Important letter. Ważny list. Important letter. But to jest ważne. It is important. To jest ważne. Ważne. Either way, if you say ważne, ważny, people will know what you mean. Okay? Also, how would you say urgent? Urgent, very similar, but that is urgent. Pilne. 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 You might see, actually, you might see on letters when they come to your house, if you're still getting letters. I mean, like bills probably. It says urgent, meaning, well, it says urgent, so it will say in Polish, obviously, pilne. Pilne. Maybe if you get like a credit card or something in the mail. Anyways, urgent, pilne. All right, not important. How do you think we say not important? I know you know this. Nieważne. 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 But you probably have noticed that you can also say nieważne when you say never mind. When someone didn't listen to you, I don't know, and you're just like, never mind. So in Polish, you say nieważne. Nieważne. Never mind. Nieważne. All right. Next phrase is, what are you thinking? What are you thinking? Like, what are you thinking right now? And in Polish, you say, o czym myślisz? O czym myślisz? myślisz? O czym myślisz? O czym myślisz? O czym myślisz? O czym myślisz? You know how sometimes people are just kind of like staring at something? I don't know if this happen anymore since we're all 24/7 on our phones, but I remember being in Poland without phones back then, and then we would always like stare, and then the other person would say, o czym myślisz? Like, what are you thinking? If you would like to say, what do you think? Like, what do you think? What do you think? Like you're asking about advice. What do you think? You'll say, jak myślisz? Jak myślisz? Jak myślisz? Jak myślisz? Jak myślisz? Like, what do you think? Jak myślisz? And then the answer to it is, I think. So, okay, so you can say I think, which you say ja, me, like I think, ja myślę, ja myślę, ja myślę. You can skip ja and you can say myślę, myślę, or I think that, and then you complete your sentence. I think that. So in Polish you say ja myślę, że, or myślę, że. You can skip ja and you can say myślę, że. Myślę, że nie powinniśmy tego robić. I think that we shouldn't do that. Myślę, że nie powinniśmy tego robić. So, yeah. What are you thinking? O czym myślisz? What do you think? Jak myślisz? I think that. Ja myślę, że. Ja myślę, że. All right, you guys, and couple more. Plans. In Polish, you say plany. This one is easy. Easy peasy. Plany. Next, do you have any plans? Masz jakieś plany? Do you have any plans? Masz jakieś plany? Masz jakieś plany? Masz jakieś plany? Masz jakieś plany? And then we're going this weekend. Do you have any plans this weekend? And in Polish you say, masz jakieś plany na ten weekend? Masz jakieś plany na ten weekend? Na ten weekend. Na ten, this weekend. Na ten weekend. Masz jakieś plany na ten weekend? Masz jakieś plany na ten weekend?
Masz jakieś plany na ten weekend? O czym myślisz?
Anyways, thank you guys. This would be it for today's lesson. If you enjoy it and if you learned something new, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, comment everything. Tell me everything about your life and your Polish struggle. I need to know so I can serve you a little bit better each time I make a video. Anyways, I am so glad to see you here. I am so glad that you are tuning into this video to little old me, and that would be it for today, so I will see you guys very soon. Dziękuję bardzo za uwagę i do zobaczenia wkrótce w następnym filmiku. Bye bye! Buziaki, całusy i do zobaczenia! Wee.